So good evening everyone. I'm Jenaline Bita Baranza, a third-year student taking Bachelor of Science in Computer Science at the University of Bohol, Tagbilaran City. So tonight, I'm excited to present my system, ASR recognition system, a real-time computer vision that translates American Sign Language alphabet gestures into text. So before I proceed to my presentation, I would like to share ideas why I come up this system. So during the discussion for our final project, I was thinking what system or application that related to machine vision that can help for future generations. So that's why I come up with this idea, a hand sign language recognition. So let me walk through our system architecture. We have four main components working together. So the first one is data collection module. So this allows users to create personalized training data sets by capturing hand landmark data for each ASL letter from A to Z. So muna siya from A to Z. So second one is model training module. So this processes that collect the data and trains a machine learning classifier to recognize different hand positions. Third one is recognition engine. So the main component that performs the real-time gestures recognition and word building. Last one is the application runner, the run.py. So this provides a user interface and coordinates all system components. So let me discuss also the four libraries that I used to my system. So OpenCV, so for image this one, so for image processing and data display functions. So second one is MediaPipe. So it is our hand landmark detection framework. Third one is the Scikit, so provides our machine learning capabilities. Last one is the NumPy. So NumPy handles all our numerical computations and array operations. So this line initialize MediaPipe hands. This line for alphabet recognition. This line is for word building. So this self that required underscore stable underscore frames is equals to 15. So number of frames to consider a letter stable. So these are simplified rules and won't be accurate for realized ASL. So from A to Z, this is the code for recognition, for letter recognitions. So kani siya sa ubos, muna siya murag default random letters. Kung baga, ang hand sign is daghag kapari-pariha. So magdepende siya sa sign ug dili jud kay kahanas, wala jud kakahibaw kaayo sa pasikot-sikot sa sa gestures and gestures. So we have four letters, letter D, U, A, B. So kani sila ang daghan most likely nga may kapare-pareho jud og hand gestures. So I set a options, no? So ini-open mo sa application na ay option nga K. So ang K is mo display siya sa complete word nga gi-show ni user, and Q is for quit sa application. Let's start running our program. Okay, so ato ni siyang i-kuan dili tanan ako ma-perform kay mag-isip ko sa akong kamutaan sa akong camera nga nasa ubos. So mag-lisod ko. But yeah, I assure you na ma-perform ang bang letters perfectly. Hopefully. So okay, let's start. So letter A. Okay, record. Letter B. So na siya current, no? Magitan ko sa application nga mo record siya itong delay. So letter C. Okay, letter C. So letter C. letter D, and we have letter A, E, F, G, H. So, ang H ay L. So, uban no, nga bisag kung saan to siya, kuan eksakto, dili ka na, kasi baga, ako ang explanation ini is, dili enough ang ako ang finger, dili siya, sa gana, dili ma-recognize ang gestures. So, ang words. So, uban, we have R, we have R, so, H na siya, U, diba, U, balik ka ng doldora, also B, doldora na pod, and W, so, dili siya kompleto na kung dili kompleto akong kay, next ko sa camera. So, okay, mag-start na tag demo sa katong by word na. Ito na to, okay, balik na sa ta, okay, so B, ba, okay, so K na kanina, siya. Na siya completed, so B, next one is, I, so, ba, I, so ko na siya, like, B, E please, and, so, once ganyan mo press ka, okay, sumpay-sumpay na siya with spacing. So, nga na, ang feature sa akong system, no, once mo press ang user game, makomplete ang sentence. Okay. So, the ASR recognition system successfully demonstrated the feasibility of real-time sign language recognition using accessible technology. So, I may not able to demonstrate all the letters because of some issues, no, sa ang camera, o siguro dili enough pa akong fingers, dili pa expandable, so but the main point or the main reason why I created this system is that I want to help those people nga maglisod og communicate sa mga na knowledge or wala sa sign language, so they can use my system or madali ang ilang pag-communicate sa mga tao sa palibot. And that would be all. Thank you and God bless.